Good morning. We are getting ready to head in the garden.
Happy Mother's Day. Hello, beautiful souls. Happy Mother's Day to all the incredible moms out there, including my own and those who stepped up as a mother in someone's life. Today, I bring you a special treat. These beautiful chamomile flowers coming from a heritage blending African American and the Muskogee Creek heritage. I'm deeply connected to the strength and the beauty of my ancestors, especially my late grandmother. I inherited my creativity and love for nature and gardening from my mother. And Mom, I love you. I know you're watching. And my great-great-grandfather, Mr. Lum. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, thank you for joining me again. There's so many wonderful garden benefits for growing chamomile flowers. They attract beneficial insects such as bees and butterflies, making them valuable pollinators for your garden. They also repel aphids, making them a natural pest control option. Chamomile is also prized for its medicinal properties, particularly as a calming herb. It also has mild anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe the digestive tract. My favorite way to use chamomile flowers is use it as a natural hair rinse. Oh, these flowers are so pleasant. It kind of has fragrance, kind of like an apple smell, and it's all through the garden. The flowers can be harvested and dried to make potpourri or sachets to use around the house. And here I'm just showing you how I like to dry my chamomile flowers. So look at this beauty. I know, she's gorgeous. So I just like to rinse them very well and then put them on a paper towel. Here I'm just showing you how I have some chamomile flowers that I've already dried, and they have been dried out for about 2 weeks. And so once I dry them out, I like to put them in cute little containers so that when I have my high tea, I always have flowers. So here, yes, I'm just showing you the beauties, but here I've already have some that I washed, and now they are just sitting on a paper towel, just letting them air dry for about 2 weeks. I'm thrilled to show you my preferred technique for air drying fresh flowers from my garden. Once dried, these beautiful blossoms become the perfect ingredient for crafting delightful teas. Here's a challenge for you. Why not embark on this journey of growing your own edible flowers, growing your own vegetables, your culinary herbs? Why not start a garden to save money for your large family? Why not start a garden for emergency preparedness? There's so many reasons. Why not start a garden to start eating healthy? Why not start a garden to save money? Why not start a garden for wellness purposes? I invite you to share your thoughts. Drop a comment below and honor the special mothers in your life on this beautiful day. Yes, happy Mother's Day. Remember always to love, show kindness, and stay healthy. Until we meet again, take care of yourselves and one another. Happy Mother's Day 2024. Love you, Mom. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Meet me outside in the garden by the pool. Let's relax.